Hello, welcome my dear children to another session of biology. Hope all of you are staying safe at your home by obeying the instructions given by the health department. Always wear double-layered mask, sanitizer, keep social distancing. Eat nutritious food, drink plenty of water. All of you know that each day COVID and now Omicron cases are also increasing, right? So take care of your health and take care of your parents also. So let's start today's class with quote by Swami Chinmayananda. Says, regularity is the secret of success. What's the meaning of that? Yes, regularity is the secret of success. It means that whatever you are doing, try to do the particular thing in a regular way, in a proper way. Is it? While you are studying for an examination, preparing for an examination, is it good to study the specific subject on the day of examination itself? No, is it? You have to update the study on that day itself. That means when your teacher is giving you the notes and teaching you the particular subject, try to study the subject and the notes on that day itself be updated, is it? And it will be more easier for to prepare for the examination. So not only for studying matters and all, in your life, whatever you are doing, so maintain a regularity, punctuality. Is it? Always keep this thought in your mind. So let's start today's revision, that is getting to know plants. Is it? So already we have revised the chapter so many times. So all of you are clear about the most important topics from this chapter. Is it? So first of all, we have studied about types of plants on the basis of characteristics. Is it? That means on the basis of characteristics of plants, they are divided into three. Which are they? Herbs, shrubs, trees. Is it? So which are they, Girish? Yes, herbs, shrubs, trees. And what do you mean by herbs? Yes, plants with green and tender stems. It is called herb. So Balesh, what do you mean by herbs? Yes, plants with green and tender stems. Then what do you mean by shrubs, Shivani? Yeah, short plants itself and their stem is hard but not much thick. Such type of plants are called shrubs. And what do you mean by trees, Kirtana? Yes, plants with tall and woody stem. Is it? Hard stem. They are called trees. So which are the three types of plants? Herbs, shrubs, trees. Okay. So next is creepers. So Ananya, Praveen, what are creepers? Yes, the plants which creep along the ground. Such plants are called creepers. Anagha, what do you mean by creepers? Yes, plants which creep along the ground. The next one is climbers. All of you know that. Is it? Suraj said climbers. Yes, the plants which need support to stand straight. Is it? They are called climbers. So the next two types of plants are creepers and climbers. So next is the main part of the plant, that is stem. Is it? So what is the function of a stem, Aryan? Correct. The stem helps to conduct the water and minerals, is it, to different parts of the plant. So what is the function of a stem, Aishwarya? Yes, it helps to conduct the water and minerals to different parts of the plant. So next is the main other part of a plant, that is leaf. Is it? So see this diagram. what all parts we can see? Is it? So the part where to attach it to the stem, that is called petiole. And this broader part, the broad part of the leaf, that is lamina. Then major line through this in the middle, through the middle portion of the leaf, it is called midrib. Then the lines on the leaf, it is called veins. Is it? So which are the main parts of a leaf? Ashwin, Suresh? Yes, petiole, lamina, midrib, veins. Is it? Is it clear? Next is venation. What is venation? Vaiga Sri Kumar? Yes, the design made by the veins on a leaf, it is called leaf venation. And there are two types of venation. Which are they, Vaiga Jayakumar? Yes, parallel venation, reticulate venation. Is it? Then what do you mean by parallel venation, Ardra? Yes, the veins are parallel to each other. It is called parallel venation. Next is reticulate venation. Krishna Prabha? Yes, the venation is in a network form, is it? Net-like venation. It is called reticulate venation. So, which are the two types of venation? Yes, parallel venation, reticulate venation. So, next is transpiration. What do you mean by transpiration, Shraddha? Yes, transpiration is the process in which the leaves of the plants release out water in the form of water vapor. It is called transpiration. So, through leaves, plants release out their excessive water in the form of water vapor. It is called transpiration. And next is photosynthesis. Sandra, what is photosynthesis? Yes, it is the process by which plants synthesize their food. And through this process, oxygen is released out. And that oxygen is taken by the human beings, by the animals. And plants take in carbon dioxide, which we released out. And in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll is there. So, this process is carried out. Okay. So, photosynthesis is the process by which plants synthesize their food. So, next is root. Is it? So, the part of the plant which grows under the soil. And what are the main functions of roots? Abhinav Balu. Yes, very correct. Is it? It helps to anchor the plant. It helps the plant to fix firmly in the soil. This is the main function of root. Is it? And there are two types of roots. Which are they? Taproot, fibrous root. See this diagram? In the taproot, there will be one main root. Is it? And from that root, similar smaller, that is lateral roots rises. But in fibrous roots, all the roots seem similar. There is no main root. Is it? So that is the difference between taproot and fibrous root. So which are the two types of roots, Anaka? Yes, taproot, fibrous root.
So dear children, see this activity. In this diagram, several columns are given here, and first column plant name, and then second column height. Okay, second column 2 a stem. In that column green, tender, thick, hard. Column 3 where do the branches appear? That means at the base of the stem, higher upon the stem. And column 4 category of plant. That is which type of plant. Is it herb, shrub or tree? So you have to fill this column and do it by yourself. Okay. See these two types of root, taproot and fibrous root. First it is taproot. Second one fibrous root. Is it clear? So here two types of leaf venation. First one reticulate, that is A. B is parallel venation. Next one, see these parts of a flower. See this leaf-like green color part, it is called sepals, and colorful part, it is called petals. Next one, parts of a flower, stamen and pistil. And see this parts of a stamen, it has a filament, and the topmost part, it is called anther. So see these parts of a pistil, that is style, stigma and ovary. Inside the ovary we can see the ovules. So here are some questions for you. See this first question, what is the function of a stem in a plant? The next, which of the following leaves have reticulate venation, that is weed, tulsi, mace, grass, coriander, China rose. The next one, if a plant has fibrous root, what type of venation do its leaves likely to have? Next one, if a plant has leaves with reticulate venation, what kind of roots will it have? Is it possible for you to recognize the leaves without seeing them? How? Write the names of the parts of a flower. Name the part of the plant which produces its fruit. Name this process. In which part of a flower you are likely to find the ovary? Name two flowers, each with joined and separated sepals. And the 10th question, which of the following plants have you seen? Of those that you have seen, which one have flowers? And below that, certain plants names are given there. Okay, so you have to write the answers by yourself.
So dear children, I hope all of you understood the whole chapter that we have revised today, is it? If you have any more doubts, you can text me in WhatsApp. So dear children, God bless you all. Let's meet you in the next class. Thank you.